All right, guys, probably the funnest video that that I've been wanting to do lately, but yesterday, all the crazy stuff started happening. EOS is exploding over here, guys. Absolutely exploding. I was just doing a video to show you guys on... Actually, let me do this. I'll show this to you on this video. I believe right now that there's a shift happening where money is coming out of Bitcoin and it is moving over into the alts. March 13th, the low on March 13th to the current high is about... It's around 12-13%, depending on where you pull it. Let's just call it about 13%, okay? I didn't pull it exactly at the bottom there. Let's go over to EOS. We're going to take 13%. Let's write this down. 13% on Bitcoin. Okay, 13% on Bitcoin. Now let's go to the 13th on EOS and take a look from the bottom here to the high. This is 33%. Almost exactly 20% more that you would have made on your money if you had your money not in Bitcoin and in some altcoins. I just showed you guys how ADA in the same time frame is 10% higher than Bitcoin. The altcoin summer is here. It has already started, and if you don't have money in these markets, you are going to be a little bit left behind, okay? I've been talking to you guys about this target here on EOS that I think we're going to start targeting this descending resistance. This is going to get insane, and it's already insane. Let's go over this. We're currently sitting at 112 wins and 0 losses. We've never lost a trade, and our next trade is most likely going to be on Avalanche. Get our membership. Join us. I will show you how to access that in this video, but it's in the description. Start trading with us, guys. We've never lost a trade. Highest win rate on YouTube, and I think we've got some incredible trades coming up here. Really, it's just going to get more ridiculous, and I'll prove this to you over here. Let's start here with the indicators. Trend dashboard. The trend dashboard. How strong is this trend? From a retail trader perspective, all of their moving averages for 50, 100, and 200, as well as all the indicators for RSI, stochastic, and MACD are bullish. All of them, okay? This is usually a place where I like to think that institutions are going to look to start dropping, their long trades, selling them, short trades coming out. And I will show this to you guys, but I actually think the short squeeze that I've been hounding you guys about is happening time and time again, which is why we are seeing these massive pumps back up here. I'll tell you guys, people are trying to short this market and it's not happening. People are buying, they're buying, and they're buying, okay? It's why the price is continuing to go up here. Look at this. Price versus well money flow, trend exhaustion. We are now back into this very, very high section here on trend exhaustion. The price versus well money flow is very high, guys. This is an absolute overextended market. We saw when we pushed in the top red zone over here, the well money flow is a little bit high. Yes, we did end up getting just a little bit of a move down here. Great, that was fine. We saw trend exhaustion high here, well money flow high here. We did not move up, but we moved down a little bit and actually consolidated a little bit, and then we moved back up. Okay, the reason why I use these indicators is it helps tell me where are the spots that people from historical data, where are they going to look to short? Trend exhaustion high, well money flow moving up, great. I'm expecting to see moves back down. Trend exhaustion high, well money flow high. I'm expecting to see drops back down in the market. Yes, we're getting these time and time again, but have you guys noticed something that's happening lately? Look at all these moments over here. Trend exhaustion high, well money flow high. In this consolidation period, it pushed us down into an absolute downtrend. Then you come over here, trend exhaustion low, well money flow low. The price moved back up. Okay, that's interesting. Now we're over here where we've been stuck at these high areas and we haven't been getting super strong moves down. This is what's called short squeeze or short trapping. And this is why the market's going up so fast. Okay, now that you guys understand that it's so powerful that you guys have these metrics over here as well as the indicators so you guys can watch this. These are in the description. I'll make this very quick. They're 84% off for our bundle pack. This is never going to be lower than this price ever again. The lowest we will ever have our indicators will be today. This is actually cheaper than the Black Friday sale we had going last year. Watch this. As we move over to the charts, I want to show you guys something. Here's how you access these charts, just in case you guys are wondering. 112 wins, 0 losses. $95 a month, guys. Get access to all this. I'm going to make this very fast. I'm not turning this into a sales video. You guys will get access to all the metrics here, as well as the Telegram channel, where I'm calling all of the entries of when I get into all of our trades, as well as all the exits I will be calling for you guys. Masterclasses are available, and we're going to be coming out with the date for April of when we're going to be doing the next live Zoom call. I'm going to talk to the team about that today, so it should be pretty fun, and I'll make sure I get that up for you guys. That'll be under the Inner Circle Hangout. Here's the masterclasses. There's the indicators. Let's get into the charts. Go to the crypto charts, scroll all the way down here to EOS, and let's click on here. Take a look at this. We are sitting so high in the greedy section right now, and this is the same thing that we can see for actually ADA as well that I just did a video on for you guys so you can see this. This is absolutely overbought in the market. Absolutely, guys. As you move down, you can see something here that's actually not necessarily aiding to it, but actually more of an argument that we could keep heading up. Emotional index is like, whoa, people are getting greedy. Like, obviously, like, look at where the price is. Like, do you think people are greedy if they get in right now? Yes, they are, because it's so ridiculously high. Coming down here, though, we can see that long trades are steadily increasing, not a lot, but they're steadily increasing, but short trades are clearly dropping out here. So shorts are getting out of the way. Now, listen, this doesn't mean that shorts are not in the market. You can clearly see they're elevated, so shorts are still in the market. But as I mentioned in the beginning of this video, here's what I believe is happening. People are looking at this, such as our indicators over here, because they literally, guys, these are the three best indicators you guys can use for crypto. I'm confident about that. Like, not to be cheesy, but trade confident. Like, we're confident about this, and we've never lost a trade, and we have the highest win rate all of YouTube, possibly ever on crypto. When people use these things, they are expecting moves down, and we get them a lot. But when we start seeing they're about 80% accurate, so that 20% where the market just heads back up, it's going to trap short traders. That's why we take long trades on this channel, and everybody who started entering in down here when I was like, man, this may be the low, you guys are doing super well. This over here, honestly, guys, is a bullish sign that EOS could keep heading up, and I'll give you guys my targets of exactly where that is. Market cap strength, guys. Yeehaw! This is a very good sign for our poor little guy over here that's just been dropping out in market cap. Everyone's like, oh, we don't care about EOS anymore. It's just, there's nothing there. Do you guys remember on this channel where I told you guys, I've been through these market cycles too many times to know this, that when market cap moves down on a coin and people lose interest, that's where you need to be buying. Okay. That is what we did over here. I put $49,000 into the market right here. So down at this lower level, we have, not all of it was in EOS, but I split it up, and that money is doing very well. So we'll be taking extremely good profits on this as we start moving back up. And everyone who's in that trade and you're waiting for me to get to break even up here, you guys will be taking close to, oh my gosh, you guys will take probably about an 83% profit. I'll show you guys how to get into a trade today to take advantage of more of that. Just give me 1 second here. Here's the point though. Market cap moving up on EOS literally means money has to move out of other altcoins, because this is market cap relative to the entire market. I showed this to you on ADA, but look at where the money is coming out of. I wonder where it's coming out of for the market. Let's take a look at Bitcoin over here, guys. Well, market cap is dropping out on Bitcoin. Bitcoin's consolidating. All the altcoins are moving over here, and I believe we are in an altcoin summer that started about 4 days ago. Okay? People think there's still a crypto winter coming. I can't believe it. I made this joke before. I'm like, guys, the crypto winter, there's nothing left of some of these altcoins down here. Like nothing. How in the world are we going to go lower? Demand is going to take over and we're going to pump. So that's what we're seeing. And not only are we seeing it, like we can see on the Bitcoin chart I just showed you guys, money is coming out of the market for Bitcoin, and it is flowing into coins like Cardano, ADA, as well as EOS, because people are seeing this pump. You guys have done 20% more in your accounts holding EOS than you are holding Bitcoin, okay? This is very good, guys. Okay, trades in favor. We're sitting up here into the good short trade area. Obviously, when we've been pushed up here, guys, people are looking for shorts. And guess what? People are still buying right now. They're dumping out of Bitcoin and they're buying EOS. Millions and millions and millions of dollars, guys. Like literally millions of dollars are flooding into EOS right now. That's what this market cap shows us. It might look like a simple green line, guys. This is literally millions and millions of dollars. People are seeing this and they're waking up this morning. They're going to watch this video and they're going to watch other people's videos and say, oh my gosh, I could have made 20% more on EOS than Bitcoin. I'm going to put my money in EOS. That is something that's going to happen. I'm not trying to pump this. It's already happened. So like, I'm not trying to do that. We've held this through thick and thin. So I just know this is a good coin to be holding. I will talk briefly about the Bullish exchange at the end of this video. Just wait for that. Okay. I have some, just wait for that. Okay. Well, institutional smart money. These guys, again, look at this. Short trades coming out over here, looking to trade this to the downside. No wonder why they are. We're looking at the descending resistance here, looking for another move back down. They didn't get their way. Now, I've told you guys, again, sorry I'm talking about the Cardano video a lot, but watch that video I just did. A lot of people in Cardano seem to be in EOS for some reason. I don't know what it is, but it's cool. I'm in there too. It's my top two holdings, Cardano and EOS. You guys can see over here. I don't know if I showed this to you this morning yet, but here we are. We're sitting at 137,000, 150,000 is break even. We're doing extremely well over here in the account. Okay. What you guys are seeing is short trades trying to come out here for this drop back down. Now, yes, These guys may get their way and we may actually see a really nice drop back down and they're all going to take profit and be really happy. It's interesting because this did happen over here before and the market did keep heading up and then we actually pushed down into a pretty strong bear market. When everybody thought we were going up, it did happen. So I'm not going to sit on my, YouTube here and be like, we're just going to go to the moon. No, if you look at this, this actually has predicted some pretty crazy moves back down. So what we're going to do here is we're just going to be patient. We're going to hold our positions and let this market mature. But from a market cap perspective, this is looking very good. Look at this over here, guys. We're pushing up into resistances we don't even have marked over here. That's how fast this is moving. This is the level, guys. It's 275. Mark this down, watch this very closely. It is a quarters theory level of 275, and if we hit that, I can guarantee you guys we're going to see a move back down right here. It is too strong of a structure resistance. Trend exhaustion, if you get up there, we'll most likely see a move down like this and then a move right back up like this. And that will push us very close to 275, okay? Once that is hit, I'm positive we are going to see a move back down, possibly around to this structure support here, and then a move back up. So I will cover that for you guys, but watch it. So if you guys have money in the market and if you're dollar cost average entering down here, which you guys got ridiculous entries with these metrics here, you guys literally got in down here. So those of you guys who took that, you're sitting up right now 31%. If you guys are holding to that structure I'm talking about, you're going to be about 40%. If you want to just wait and exit with me when I exit, the EOS trade on this entry over here, because our break even is at 343, I'm going to be taking about 103% profit because I entered back here at the 49,000. I'll probably take around like 95% profit on that. But seriously, guys, follow me in the Telegram channel and I'll exit with you and I will demonstrate patience for you guys of what that looks like because I'm not exiting until we get back up here. Like you could guarantee that because I do believe this market's going to head back up here and we're just going to keep going. Oh, this is so exciting. Okay, exit points. This has been very strong telling us, hey, heads up, this market is looking for a drop back down. And like I'm saying, people are looking to short this and they're not getting their way. And this is where markets explode. It's when short traders get trapped, they get squeezed, and the market goes up and they are forced to switch their positions. This is fine. Let it happen, guys. We don't care about short squeezes. We love them in the market because we make more money. Okay, getting into an EOS trade. Let me show you how to get into a trade today. I'll show this to you on Bitcoin, and I will talk very briefly about the Bullish exchange and some things I know about EOS. I want to be careful what I talk about, but I do want to share some things with you guys. Okay, here's what we're looking at. Bitcoin. Obviously, this is Bitcoin. This is EOS over here. But on EOS, we have literally 4 yellow lines, which represent 4 buy limits. Choose the amount you want to trade with. This is how we've won all of our trades, by the way. Let's say it's $1,000. Take the $1,000 and split it into 4 equal portions. Now take those 4 portions, 250, and place them at each of the 4 buy limit prices. Now, because EOS is so low, I taught you guys in the master classes what's called the equator. The equator says this: if the current price is below the let me start over. Take the all-time high and take the low of a coin. The middle price is the equator. If the live price is below the middle, which is the equator, you can use 3 buy limits instead of 4 so you can get more money into the market because I don't believe the 4th one's going to get hit. I leave the 4th one on there for those of you guys who want really, really good risk management. You guys can leave the 4th one on there, but I would recommend just using the 3. I'm not a financial advisor. Please do your own consulting, okay? What I want you guys to do after you do that is make sure you guys set up a sell limit over here at the green line for 100% exit. So once you guys have that first buy limit get hit, there's going to be a sell limit for 100% exit. Most likely, I'm going to call an exit for you guys in Telegram before that sell limit is hit. And I'm going to be calling an exit when we exit this trade. So everyone who joins in right now on this trade and has their buy limit hit, you guys will probably be experiencing close to about 65% profit because I'm going to be looking to exit EOS when we get to around this area up here. So this is a really, honestly, guys, I don't want to be cocky about this, but I think this is a very easy trade to win because if it goes down and hits your buy limits, you've got more money in the market and you're just going to actually have a break-even entry go down even further, which is going to help you get into profit faster and you'll have more money in the trade. It's how dollar cost average entries work. Okay, make sure you guys are signed up in the Telegram channel once you have the membership. I'm pretty sure I'm sorry, I've been like doing so much this morning. I already showed this to you guys, $95 a month. That's all you guys have to pay to access everything. Once you guys do that, get into the Telegram channel. That is where I call out everything. The indicators, I'll talk about this and then I'll talk about the Bullish exchange real quick. Okay, here's what we've got going on here. We have the indicators on the biggest sell we've had. literally, here's how it started. My wife was like, hey, you started the business back in March of last year. What if you did like a 1-year happy birthday sale? She's like, our dog is named Finnegan, our golden retriever. He's kind of like a leprechaun. Like he's kind of St. Patrick-y in his name. Let's run a sale. I'm like, I thought that was kind of cool. So literally, guys, call this a happy birthday of the business sale, or call it our golden retrievers, like whatever, March sale. But literally, we have our bundle pack, the lowest it has ever been. And guys, just know this. We are not going to have this price cheaper than this again. This is the lowest we will ever have it. If we run a sale again, it may be this low, but we will never have it lower than this. This is the lowest you can get our indicators, okay? You guys want to click this link right here, enter coupon code MARCH at checkout, and you will get all of these indicators, all 9 of them here, not just the 3 that you need to copy me, all 9 of these, and you guys will be able to experience all of these on your TradingView accounts. Guys, this is really important that you guys snag these, because this is how we are winning all 112 wins in a row. And once you guys have these, you can actually watch the masterclasses, and I'll teach you guys how to scalp the crypto market. If you guys like the fast-paced scalping, watch this video and I'll teach you guys how to scalp. We have traders doing extremely well over here scalping, and I'll show you guys how to maximize the profits with the indicators in the Masterclass 8. So this is where you guys want to be hanging out. Get the indicators in the description, as well as make sure you guys have the membership, okay? Real quick, guys, we've got a guy over here that did 80,000 and took his account to 120,000 from February 1st simply by following the advice on a daily basis that we're giving. That's $40,000 in about 2 months. People are trading for a living over here. I have the indicators and I feel like a god now, okay? It is crazy what people are able to do with this. Great job, guys. This guy's done very well. You guys, this guy does $4,000 in a matter of 24 hours. Okay, you guys take, okay, I'm just do this real quick and I promise I'll talk about the Bullish exchange. $4,000, let's divide this by 95 and then let's divide this by 12. Okay, he has paid 3.5 years of his membership in 24 hours. 3.5 years. Think of how much money. Here's the thing, guys. You guys pay the monthly membership fee. Great, you have the indicators. Okay, once you guys have the indicators, it's not a monthly fee. You guys can just make as much money as you guys want with that. It's pretty ridiculous. And then the membership over here, you guys are not only getting trade calls, I'm literally giving you guys a whole suite of metrics to see what wells and institutions are doing so you guys can trade with us. This guy's up $12,000 in the bear market and his friends were down 65%. We're keeping accounts safe. Okay, you guys made it to the end here. Let me talk about this. I'll leave you guys here so you can look at this. It's kind of fun. Actually, I'll leave you guys on the testimonials page because it's kind of fun to look at. Okay, here's the deal. Here's the deal with Bullish. There are some articles out right now that I have read that they could be going through somewhat of a lawsuit. I've even had some of you guys send them to us of some things that were going on with Bullish that may not have been ethical or helpful to all traders, retail traders. Okay, I have a buddy that. A good friend of mine that actually knows people that works at blockone, and not going to release the information he told me. I want to make sure we have it public first. But here's just my overall thought on this. EOS is a very strong coin. As market cap is low, this is going to be picked up on people's radar. From things that I know, without like divulging things, I want to make sure this is like public information first. I am personally, and this is before I knew this, I am personally not expecting EOS to explode that much anymore based off the Bullish exchange being accepted in the US. Okay? You guys know they came out with an article that said they're trying to get listed on the New York Stock Exchange to show credibility before they open up Bullish to the US market. I am not basing my holding position anymore on Bullish from things that I know, and we will wait. Do not ask me over email. I will not share it, okay? I'm not trying to be rude here, but it's like if I know something I don't tell you guys, I kind of just feel like a jerk. So let me just say this. From what I know, I am more confident that EOS is going to head up because of what's happening on the back end with EOS, not Bullish. EOS, what they're trying to do to make this an extremely, extremely fast coin, faster than Bitcoin and faster than Ethereum. I'm talking about transactions here. Okay, guys, there could be some very big news coming out soon, so watch that. We're already seeing a little bit of precursor here. So I am holding EOS because of some things that I'm seeing and some things that I know, and again, wait for public information to come out. because I don't know this is 100% sure. This is things that I'm just hearing through this person knows this person who knows this person. But I believe there is a great opportunity for EOS to explode here soon, and it's because of the functionality of the coin more so than the bullish exchange. So that's my final thoughts on that, okay? So overall, let's make this simple. Hold EOS. That's all I'm going to do, guys. I'm going to hold EOS until we're back in profit and we will reassess. I actually want to wait for us to take some profit on EOS when we're back up into these areas up here, okay? But I will call this out in Telegram, but know this. Out of everything I know that I'm sharing with you guys, I am very bullish on EOS and I'm not taking a single dollar out of EOS, and it is my number one holding, and I actually am more confident EOS will go up here than even Cardano. So that's what I got to say about EOS. And is this not a precursor to some things that could be coming? Maybe. I'll leave that there. Okay, guys, make sure you're getting the indicators in the description. We literally will be raising the price in 9 days, so make sure you guys do snag that. I think it is 9 days. It's the end of this month, the 31st, so it may be less, but I think it's 9 days. Maybe it's 8 days. But make sure you guys are snagging that, and then make sure you guys have your membership over here, because this will help you guys. Sorry, I have Grammarly on my computer because I am not a great speller, so things pop up sometimes. $95 a month. Get in here, guys. I will literally keep you guys updated with every single trade. If you guys literally want to copy me, all the trades that I'm taking, so you guys can win all the same trades that I do, 112 wins as we go 120 wins in a row, you guys just copy me, get a membership, and I will give you guys will literally have access to everything. So set everything up today. I love you guys. God bless you so much. EOS is exploding over here, and I think we may actually just continue to this descending resistance over here, and that will actually put us at break even, and this is going to be absolutely awesome. Watch EOS closely, guys. Watch it closely. I'll see you guys next video. All the links you need to click are in the description. Get the bundle pack and the membership. Let's make some money. Bye, guys.